welcome to today's video. So today is brand new content. So today is the first episode of the series of going to San Diego. I don't know what name should I give it to this series, so comment down below if you have any ideas. As you probably know by now, I'm moving to San Diego for the next 3 months, and there was a lot of things that I had to do to prepare me for that trip, including visa, documents for university, and everything else. So for today's video, I thought it would be great to start this series off by just explaining the process of going to another university. I filmed while I was doing this, so it will be like having real-time footage kind of thing, because I knew that I wanted to do this type of videos later on, and so I've been filming for the last 6 months, like every single thing that happened. And so yeah, I'm just gonna here giving you some feedback on how everything went through and what was difficult to do, how did I manage to just deliver everything at time. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video because yeah. So let's get into it. So the first step that we had to take was that we had a little meeting where everything was explained to us. We had 5 options, and from those 5 options we had to choose one and then like put 2 more just in case we didn't get to the first option. So that's what we did. We analyzed every single option, what was more appropriate to each and every one of us according to like the course and the subjects that each university would give us and the opportunities. And from that on, I decided that I wanted to go to San Diego. I've always wanted to go there, like since the course started, so like 3 years ago I already made my choice. But like having the opportunity to go somewhere else, we just needed to reevaluate everything and just like make sure that we were doing the right decision. We basically could go to Germany, to Spain, to Italy, to New Zealand and United States. So from right now, you already know that I'm going to United States. I'm going to San Diego, California to get my bachelor degree completed. I'm going to explain the paperwork that we had to get done for San Diego University. Me deciding to go to San Diego and SUD University, which is just a new school of architecture and design, I had to get all the info, like as many info as I could to go there. And so they were very kind to just give us information upon this subject, and it said that unlimited spots but acceptance is merit based. So basically you like had no problem to go there, but if there were like too many people going there, the criteria would be merit based. So basically if you had a great portfolio and great like statement of purpose, a great grades and everything else, the higher your possibilities to go. The year is organized by 4 terms, and I would be taking the spring term, which basically starts in April and goes until the end of June. Then they also said the degree that I would be taking there, and that is media design, which I love. And yeah, having this information just really made sure that I was choosing the right university to go to when going abroad. So talking about documentation, we had a lot of deadlines to submit different kinds of documents that we had to deliver. So the first one would be our passport, just a copy of it. Then we would have personal information for application form, a statement of purpose, digital portfolio, and proof of an international health travel insurance, verification of finance form, plus bank of statement letter. Then basically we had more information under the topics that I just mentioned, and the ones that are more like critic were the statement of purpose and the digital portfolio. Oh, and verification of finances, because that was something that works very until 24th of June, 28th of June, we had that 4 days like to deliver stuff. We had to deliver the personal info for enrollment, a photocopy of our passports, a statement of purpose, and our portfolio. So that week what happened was that my computer deleted all the files related to San Diego, and I had to redo everything in like 24 hours or just a little bit more, I'm not sure. So here's the footage of me doing some portfolio and statement. So not going very well so far. Great. I am indeed crying because all week I've spent doing a lot of paperwork for the submission for the semester abroad and everything else, and we had to do a statement of purpose, a portfolio, and to fill like a paper with documentation and everything, and also to scan our passports and everything. And while I was working, basically I deleted my folder of San Diego. And so what I want to say with this is just be careful with what you select and with what you delete, because you are screwed if you don't do this. So yeah. So for the portfolio, what I did was I just tried to put together 2 works from each subject that I wanted to present to the university. For example, 2 projects on graphic design, 2 projects on game design, 2 projects on product design, 2 projects on photography, and so on. Then I delivered everything, and it was a very high demanding process because, like I said, my computer deleted everything, and so my anxiety levels just increased so much during that week, and we had a lot of things to deliver. On December 10th, we had the deadline to deliver the statements, bank finances thing, where we basically had to prove that we could live in San Diego for that amount of time. And so we had to have a certain amount of money on our bank account to just prove to the United States Embassy and to the United States government and university and so on and so forth that we could handle living there. It would be fun, we wouldn't be homeless, because that's a big word for them. Then whenever we received this letter, we basically got into the university, and yeah, that was a big day for me, because you know that things are getting real and yeah, and everything is okay, but then when you receive that letter, you're like, oh, this is really happening. It's like in 3 months or 2 months, I'm getting to San Diego. And so yeah, it was, you know that I have anxiety and everything, but that day was just like a realization of the process getting almost over. And so yeah, it was something. Then we received an email like by February, like first days. No, we received on January. Yeah. So on the last week of January, we received an email from the international office of YAT, my university currently. And that would be just saying that my DS-16 form has basically arrived, and so I could start my visa appliance. I think that's how it's called, the form, not sure, but yeah. So basically I went to the university. They kinda explained how everything would go through and what I basically, the steps that I had to take and everything else. Once I was home, I just basically sat here with my boyfriend like for 4 hours, 3 hours maybe, filling these forms, like online forms, to schedule an interview to get my visa. So scheduling an interview was very easy. Just the only part that was not easy was to find where I could schedule online the interview with the embassy. But then I just scheduled that, everything went smoothly, and I had like the interview on Monday, and I did this on the previous Tuesday, I guess. So it was very fast and easy to just get everything done, and then I just had to wait for my visa to come. So tomorrow is my interview with the US Embassy, and I am very nervous. I shouldn't be, because it's something that you go inside, you do a quick interview, just talking about, I think, about basically your intentions on going to the US. But I don't know. I'm very nervous. I'm super anxious. I'm feeling everything. Just got my interview, and I got my visa. Everything is fine. They forgot about me. I had to wait extra time, but it's okay, because now I can go there and study. And oh, I thought my elbow was not okay, but apparently it's just my skin. But yeah, now I'm gonna eat because it's already noon. I've been there for 3 hours, and it was supposed to be something like 20 minutes top. It's done. No, I forgot. So yeah. I'm hungry. Bye. So I just went to the post office. I have my visa, I have my passport, and it's raining like hell. But yeah, just wanted the real update thingy time on the video. Now I'm going to my other place because it's Valentine's, and yeah, I'm gonna meet my boyfriend there. I'm gonna take the train. So yeah, boy. Because whenever you go to the embassy, you just take the interview, which is not hard at all. I was so nervous, and everything just went great. The people were so amazing and actually very friendly, so I was very happy to be there. I was very excited and nervous and anxious, everything at the same time. And yeah, it was I was sweating a lot, you know, because I got very anxious that day. I didn't sleep at all the last night. So yeah, so then I just had to wait for like a week for my passport to just come back home. And yeah, I went to the post office, I asked for my passport, and I had my visa there. So from right now until the end of March, I'm just hoping that I still get to go there, because I really would love to just experience everything. And yeah, let's see how everything goes. I really hope you guys liked this one. It was just a more informative video, I guess, but when I was dealing with all the process of going there, I didn't find a lot of information to just support me and help me through the process. And so therefore I'm just doing this video to help anyone that wants to go study abroad or to the specific university, or anyone from YAD that it will be going through the same next year. And yeah, I just want to help someone where no one could help me online. So yeah. I really hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, the more the merrier. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!